On today's video, we're going to show you two methods of catching unwanted hair and debris into your sink. These do come in stainless, gloss, and matte black finishes. Stay tuned for the whole video. What's good, everybody? On today's video, I'm going to show you a very easy way to catch hair or any other things that may fall into your sink. There are two different types of strainers that you can get. One with a pop stopper. You may need to install provided sink drain that goes with the pop-up stopper. It comes with all the required parts for the assembly of the drain, and this is how the pop-up mechanism works. So you press it and it keeps the water from draining. That's one way to do it. And it also has this little strainer. So as any debris or hair goes in, it gets caught here. The other way to do it is without a pop stopper, and this is just by using a very simple strainer that fits right over the hole. These are universal for universal drains, and they come in stainless steel and gloss black and matte black options, because we have a matte arched faucet that we absolutely love, by the way. It's a single lever, but because it is matte, we wanted to get a matte strainer as well. So doesn't matter if it's hair, pieces of onion, fruit, or anything else, it just gets caught. And it's even easier to empty. That's the video. Very simple and effective fix, and a decor accessory for your bathroom. Thanks for watching.